Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this video by me, Anthony Allen. In this video, we're going to be talking about Next, a clothing company where you can pay using PayPal. So who exactly are Next? What type of products do they sell? So Next is a clothing company, like I've just mentioned, and you can see that I have a Next bag right here. Now this bag is specifically for the suits. So I bought a suit from Next, and they actually give you a suit bag where, of course, if you're carrying your suit out in the open, if you're buying this using cash in hand or using your card payments in store, you can actually get yourself a suit bag. So they sell for men, women and children. So there's a variety of clothes you can buy at Next. So now that we've covered what Next sell, they also sell other products as well. I'll show you a little bit more later on in this video. So Next have this really helpful page which has an AI that reads out how you can pay with PayPal. So let's show you this page right now, and I'm going to allow the AI to do the talking, and then I'll summarize at the end of the video so that you have a better understanding of how you can pay with PayPal at Next. So I know I've just magically put my glasses on, but that's because I need my glasses when I'm reading. So of course we're going to be doing a little bit of reading here, but I'm actually not going to read it myself because there is an AI that Next have on this page that can do the reading for you, which is really, really helpful. So I'm going to press play on this AI and allow it to do the talking of what it actually has written right here about when you're paying with PayPal at Next. Let's have a little play.
PayPal. PayPal payments will instantly be applied to your account. PayPal is a secure payment method you can use to make a payment online. You only need your email address and password to make a payment. At the moment, this facility is only available for UK NextPay accounts, and you can choose this method of payment to pay your account balance or to make a payment at the time of your order. You can use PayPal by following these steps. Log into my account using your email address or customer number and password. Select Payments from the menu. Key in the amount you wish to pay and then click on the Pay via PayPal button. This will take you to the PayPal login page. Sign in with your PayPal email address and password. Select the Pay Now button to confirm your payment. You will then be navigated to the next payment screen where a payment confirmation banner will show at the top of the page. PayPal payments credit the account within 2 working days, and you will receive an email to confirm the payment. If for any reason the payment has been declined, an immediate message will be displayed on the PayPal payment page to indicate this. If there are any queries, you may need to contact PayPal for further assistance. If the payment does not show on your NextPay account within 2 working days, please check if the amount has been taken from your PayPal account. If you require a refund for a return you have made, you can email us using our contact form. On the contact form, select Next Directory, Online, then Other. Alternatively, if you would like to chat with an advisor, please click here. If you have an email address registered on your account, you will receive a payment confirmation through email once your payment has credited your account. All payments need to be made before 8 p.m. to show in the time specified. Any payments made after 8 p.m. Friday will show on the account the following Tuesday.
So let's go over some key points and give you a quick summary of what you need to do when you're paying with PayPal on Next. So of course you need to be on the Next website. You log into My Account. So you need to create an account with Next. This is done so that you can track your payments easier. So when you have an account with Next, you'll be able to go through your payment history with Next as well as on your PayPal account. So it's kind of connecting the two. So create an account and then go through the payment option. I do advise this as well, even if it does give you the option to pay with a guest account. The reason why is because if you have a guest account, it's a lot harder to track your payments and so forth. So scrolling down from here, it says log in with your account details. So when you've created an account, you log in with your account details, your login that you already have with your account. Then you can log into your PayPal account. Now this could be a PayPal account that you have secondary to your main account. It could be the main account. Remember which PayPal account you're paying with. I express this again. Remember which PayPal account you're paying with. This is important because if you're paying using your PayPal balance and you've added a balance to a PayPal account, you want to make sure it's taken from that PayPal account. If not, it's going to go to an account which you don't have your PayPal balance added to, and then it's going to try and take payments from elsewhere, because how PayPal works is it tries to take from your PayPal balance first, money that you've added to your PayPal account, and then it's going to try and take payments from elsewhere, for example any cards or bank accounts that you have connected to that account. And of course, you have that 48-hour window. That's 2 days where the payment can be taken from your PayPal account. So if you move or remove that money from your PayPal balance, of course, this is when PayPal is going to try and take the payment from a debit or credit card or bank account that you have connected to your PayPal account. Again, if you don't have the money in your PayPal account, then it's going to be like, where am I going to take this from? Or in some cases, it can decline. So do keep that in mind when you're making your payments with PayPal. Try to take from your PayPal balance first, add money to your PayPal account, then you can pay with that money in your PayPal account. You will also need to know your PayPal login details because you're going to log into your PayPal account in order to make this payment. So that's also a really big key point and takeaway from when you're paying with PayPal in this way with Next. As well as clothing, Next also sell items for the home, baby items, Christmas seasonal items, autumn seasonal items, brands, the variety of brands that you can buy from Next, beauty items, gifts and flowers, sports, and also clearance items. So there is the clearance. As you know, many shops like to do this, many stores like to do this. When they have clearance sales, it means that it's the cheapest price that item's going to go for, and they need to clear all of that stock. There's more where this came from you can find in the Online Money playlist. Thank you for watching.